Hey beauties, and welcome to today's video. This is the long-awaited final Declutter Series part, I guess. This is the part with the giveaway. If you have watched the past few videos of mine, you'll have seen that I've been decluttering the beauty room. I was needing to make space for new things that are coming in. With being online in the YouTube world, I do get sent a lot of products to test out and review and try out. So I do always have things kind of coming. I need to have things going as well. My friends and family get to choose from a bunch of things. Things that I found that were unopened, unused, everything like that did go into a separate pile for a giveaway, which we will talk about that later on in this video. I'll go over all of the rules, everything like that, but you're gonna have to actually watch the video to catch the rules. Today, it's not gonna be a very long video. I wanted to show you the beauty room. I've made a few beauty room tours over the years, and it's kind of fun to see how it's evolved over the years. I did have a janitorial company for the past 5 years or so, and I mean, I've been a hairstylist for going on 18 years. I've been a makeup artist. I am now certified to do special effects makeup artistry, which I love. And with no longer doing the janitorial, I needed to figure out a way that I can still bring income in to the home. And I am a mom of 2 girls. I like to be home with them. So I figured, let's turn this one room into a beauty room. And that's kind of what I did. I am insured, everything like that, to legally run the beauty shop. It took a while to get it up kind of where I wanted it. That's why I really wasn't posting on YouTube here as often as I probably should. But now that this is my full-time job, and I mean not just YouTube aspect of it, but my clients, I do haircuts, colors, all hair services, makeup applications, everything like that I offer in this little room. So I'm excited to show you where I'm at. I'm not completely done, but I want to show you where I'm at. So without further ado, let's start the beauty room tour. And like I said, you gotta watch to catch the rules of the giveaway. And we'll go over everything you're gonna win later on. Follow me. All right, you guys, this is the entrance to where the magic happens. When you walk in, you of course see the vanity right there. Salon chair, it's where the client sits, or me. I'm just gonna bring you in because we're gonna start right over here. That's the door we just walked through. So right here, I do have my shampoo sink. I have been waiting for years for one of these, and I finally have one, and it's installed, and it is fabulous. I've got my Save Me From hair products up there, as well as some Olaplex. On this wall, my mother did help me hang these string lights just for something. Don't look at that. My husband has to fix that. But over here, I have my hot tools that I use regularly hanging right there. Up here, I have some tarot cards. All of my certificates. This is a newspaper ad from when I was in beauty school. Look, there's me right there. Right there. I have my Lumen from Goldwell certificate, light shear laser hair removal, ear piercing. I do have my cosmetology one somewhere and a nose piercing one somewhere. My giant canvas painting. Then I got this little shelf. It's just got my Pat McGrath palettes on it, as well as this little vermilion monkey skull that my husband got me this past Christmas. I love him so much. My husband and the skull. This shelf, I've got a bunch of the Pixie Beauty products that I've been sent. And then this big gargoyle here watches over my room. Right here, I do have a little seating bench. In that bench, it just has all of my extra camera and lighting equipment, backdrops, things like that. A little fuzzy mat, pillow, a couple magazines here left out. This is me, by the way, on the back of that. I am in them both. Here I have kind of like a little wig station. It's got its own little mirror sitting here. I also have more wigs right over there. These wigs are a little more cosplay wigs. They look fake. Whereas these bad boys, I wear them out and about. This is one of my glasses stands. My husband actually found that stand at the Reuse It Center dump site. So we brought it home, cleaned it up, and it works fantastic. Here is what you guys all just seen me declutter. All of my drawers. I will show you the drawers, but in a minute. We're gonna turn right over to this side here. This is going to eventually be like a little nail desk. You got the little stool that I pull out that I would sit on. Got the UV gel lamp, polishes, chair back there. These are all my different gels, things like that. More nail stuff. This slides out. Here I got my salon appointment book where I've been writing all my things. And I got pens made. Look at that. Min's Beauty. So eventually that is what that's going to be. A little nail area. Then off to this side, I do have some stuff behind that backdrop, so I can't really move that yet. And this door needs put on. I've got my recliner here. Right now I just have some random boxes. This shelf here is all of my hair color. So I do have some more prescription glasses up here. In here we have all of my tubes of color down here. I do carry the Shanice color line. There's my swatch book. Got all my different developers back here, and then all of my bright colors. So my punky colors, my Matic Panics, Arctic Fox. I've got Eero back here, a few other random ones. This drawer is just a hot mess of garbage. And then down here I have my color bowls, the scale to weigh my color. I've got some ear piercing stuff back there, my swatch book. I've got bleach powders, perm solutions, my foils, cotton, different capes, cutting capes, color capes. And then this stand has all of my setting sprays, all of my hair scissors, thinning shears, regular shears, razors. This one is my clippers and my edgers and all my guards. And here we have a bunch of hair products. Just something pretty. Here I've got different heads for my curling ones. And then this is just a bunch of extras, extra cleaning stuff, my Windex, Barbicide, different things like that. This little jukebox is a Bluetooth thing, so it hooks up to my phone, lights up, plays music, kind of fancy. this is it, you guys. This is what I'm working with right now. Okay, you guys, before we go any further and before I show you my nice, organized, clean new drawers full of products, we're gonna talk about this giveaway. So this time, I'm sorry, but it is only open for people in the US and Canada. My last giveaway winner was an international one, and shipping is kind of costly. So this time, I would like it to be just the US and Canada. There are some rules. So one, you do have to be a part of the Min's Beauty family. So be sure that you are subscribed. Give this video a big thumbs up and leave me a comment down below, but not just any comment. You have to include the word spring. And don't just get on and write spring, because I don't want everyone to know easily that there's a key word you have to say. So please use it in a sentence. It should be easy. Spring is coming. This giveaway is like a spring giveaway. I am going to end this giveaway on April 1st. Yes, April Fool's Day. But I want to get it out for people to enjoy throughout the spring. I think some of these products will be great for spring. Anyways, enough rambling. Those are the rules. You have to be subscribed. You have to give this video a big thumbs up, and you have to leave me a comment with any comment using the word spring. The products that you could win are the No Problem Primer from Touch and Soul. I love this primer, it's so good. Blot and Glow Kit from Rare Beauty. I did open the box to look at this. Let me show you. I didn't touch anything inside. This is what it looks like here. And then you open it up and you have your blotting papers and your puff and stuff. So that's exciting. I love Rare Beauty products. They're so good. From Kate Somerville, the Exfoliate Glow Moisturizer. And the Zimba Watermelon Teeth Whitening Strips, because you gotta have that pearly smile. Bioderma, the Micellar Water. This is a cool little travel-friendly guy. 2 eyeshadow palettes, which scream spring. From Viseart, we have the Paris Love Letter. Oh, so pretty. And from Huda Beauty, the Mercury Retrograde. You guys, this is one of my all-time favorite spring palettes. Love it. Honest Beauty, we have this lip crayon. And then from Jouer, we have the Longwear Lip Cream Liquid Lipstick in the shade Delilah. We have a lip liner duo from Evio Beauty. From Color Wow, we have a 1-minute transformation styling cream. From Catrice, we have Powerful 5 Liquid Lip Balm. I have 2 of these. I'm keeping one and I'm letting one go to one of you. An Eyelash Boost Serum from Dime. And from Uoma, the Badass MF Matte Filler Lip Liner. Couple more things, guys. Huda Beauty Lip Strobe. And Bumble and Bumble Hairdresser's Invisible Oil Ultra Rich Hyaluronic Treatment Lotion. I have used this stuff. I love this stuff. It is so nice on your hair. All right, you guys. Are you excited? One of you could win all of that. Don't forget the rules, and good luck to everyone. Giveaway will close on April 1st, so stay tuned and, like I said, follow them rules. let's get back into the last little bit of this tour. Okay, you guys, let's get into quickly going over. Up here, I have my mini fridge with some of my skincare products and eye creams. This is my powder and primer drawer. Now, I do need to get like a sticky thing to go under here because these just move all over the place. Skincare, still looks like I have too much. Blush and bronzers look a lot nicer now. So do the highlighters. Here is highlighter palettes, foundations and concealers. This, I can see what I got going on now. It's so nice. This is just some random eye stuff in here. Face palettes. And then this is just things that are still unopened. Here, my shelves are still messy. I left everything the same there. My brother made me this lamp with his 3D printer. Love it so much. Here I have just some things, my favorite lipsticks, eyebrow pencils, things like that. Lipsticks, lip liners, some change for your clients, glitters, those colorful pots, eyeshadow primers, eyeliners, contacts, and all of my little Natasha Denona mini palettes. Over here, we have your stack of winnings. Over here, we have this little stand, which my brother also 3D printed me. So cool. Has some of my favorite things on there that I'm going to be using. We're not going to talk too much about that yet. These drawers are like my everyday drawers. I do have some products in some of them. I'm still deciding what I want to use coming into spring. And then I got this fancy little stand from Amazon, holds hair products and perfumes. Look, there's my certificate, guys. And then all of my eyeshadow palettes. These have stayed the same. That's all of my Anastasia. You guys kind of watched me put these together in my declutter video. Lashes, lip stuff, and then this is all of my special effects makeup. So these drawers, yeah, that one's kind of empty. And then this is different hair stuff in this stand. Bunch of hair. And rollers. Alright, you guys. I think that's it. We did it. I showed you my room. I'm very excited to be able to start working in here again. I missed having the clients. I missed doing this as a career. I'm so excited to be back and be back in an even bigger, better way than I was before. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Good luck to all of you with the giveaway, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.